In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a year parameter in Tableau in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's get Tableau open on your device. If you've got it installed, you can simply double-click its icon or find it through your Applications tab. Don't have it yet? No worries, just download and install from the Tableau website, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've opened Tableau, the next step is to connect to your data source. Tableau is incredibly versatile, allowing connections to a variety of data formats like Excel, SQL databases, and even cloud-based services. Just click on the Connect option in Tableau's Start page and find the data source you want to use. After selecting, follow any on-screen instructions to establish the connection. Now that your data is within reach, move over to the Data pane. You're going to be creating a parameter, which is an adjustable value that we can use to make your data display dynamically. Find the drop-down arrow in the Data pane, it's usually situated at the top right, and click on it. In the menu that appears, select Create Parameter. This action will open a dialog box where you can start entering your parameter details. The dialog box is where you really bring the parameter to life. Start by giving it a name. Something clear and descriptive is always best. Perhaps select year. Naming it this way will make it straightforward for anyone else looking at your workbook to understand what it's for. Next up is configuring the parameter type. Since we're working with years, set the data type to integer. This ensures that you are inputting whole numbers, which is what years typically are. For allowable values, you have a couple of options. You can select list if you want to enter each possible year manually. This is useful if you only want to provide a few specific options. Alternatively, choose a range to set a minimum and maximum value. For instance, if you want to view data only between 2020 and 2025, setting your range here will help you do exactly that. With the structure in place, enter a current value. This is the default or starting year that's going to appear first when the parameter is used, and you can change it anytime on your dashboard. Now that everything is set, go back to your data pane and right-click on the newly created Select Year parameter. Select Show Parameter Control from the Context menu. This operation will display a parameter control with your upper interface view, letting users easily switch between different years. And there you have it, a dynamic and easy-to-use year selector in Tableau, all in the span of a few minutes. With your parameter in place, you can focus on analysis and visualization, providing viewers with an intuitive way to explore time-based data. Enjoy creating those detailed, interactive dashboards.